Hi, I'm Gabi. On today's video, I'm gonna make chapati. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna place strong white bread flour, wholemeal flour, cooking salt, olive oil, hot water little by little, and stir. I'm gonna dump it out onto the counter. And work until it's elastic. I'm gonna leave resting for 5 minutes. Divide into pieces. Roll into balls. And leave resting for 5 minutes. I'm gonna flour the counter and roll out the dough until very thin. I'm gonna grease a frying pan with olive oil. Heat until it starts smoking and cook each side. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you in the next one. See you later. Bye!